Hello everybody, I am Marine from Belgium and I will introduce you to people who are active in our school. So first we have Philippe Edouard, then we have Chloé Quintin, Lola Vano de l'Aube, Gauthier Bond and Arthur de Spirilaire.
What is the Participation Council?
The Participation Council is a council where every level of the school are represented. You have parents, teachers, you have educators, you have the headmaster, you have the secretary, you also have the help for student team there. And they speak about the school year projects, and they also analyze the projects of the year before. And these meetings happen 2 times a year.
Okay, thank you. Which role do you play in the Participation Council?
We are there to represent all of the students. I'm the representative from the General Studies and Philippe is the representative of the Vocational Studies. We are there to defend the different activities that the students want to organize during this year.
How were you chosen to represent the students in the Participation Council?
We were first chosen as class representative last year, and the headmaster has selected us among the different class representatives.
Okay, thank you.
Do you think other students are aware of the importance of the Participation Council and the role they play in it?
No, we didn't know before that they were a member of this council and what they did in this council.
To what extent do students in the school in general benefit from the fact that students are represented in the Participation Council?
The council asks them their opinions about school activities or renovation projects of the buildings.
Thank you.
Do you consider that your opinions are well accepted by the other members of the Participation Council?
Everyone listens attentively to us, but we don't know if our opinion has a real impact.
I think that the Parents Association have the same opinion as mine, as us. But the headmaster or the Father Guy are more against what we say.
How often do you confer with other students about the decision to be taken at the Participation Council?
We can talk about it in advance because the head of the council don't talk to us about the different topic they want to award.
After every meeting, I discuss with my class friends.
What do you take into account when you have to approve something?
I think of the positive side of it for my fellow students.
I think about how the other students will react.
So, which is the approval process?
During the meeting, everyone gives his pieces of advice and remarks, but no final decisions are taken there. They are taken later in smaller committees.
Okay, thank you. So, what do you like most and least about your role as an element of the Participation Council?
The most interesting is to give my opinion, and the least is that we can not do much with just 2 meetings a year.
Okay, and you, what do you think about it?
What I like the most is all the information concerning the school and the school year. To be aware of how the school functions. What I like the least is that I would like to have more impact in the school life. It could be interesting to have more meetings, I think.
So, the last question is if you would like to apply to the Participation Council again.
We cannot apply again because we are in the last form of secondary school.
Okay, and you?
It's the same.
Okay, so thank you for all that you do for us and also goodbye.
How is the election process to be class representative?
The students who want to be class representative have to apply. Then the class votes and the 2 best scores are selected to be the the class representative for the next year. But the teacher check if every option is represented, as well as a boy and a girl, a boarder and a day student.
How is the election process to be class representative in nursing?
We organize real elections in the whole school, not just in every class. We have to write a program which will be displayed 2 weeks before the elections. So a fourth former can vote for a fifth former and so on.
What is your role and what is the more interesting in what you do?
When students have something to say to the teacher, we reply it. And when we organize a day out or an activity, we collect the ideas and submit them.
In the sixth form, we function differently because we have a lot to organize, such as money collecting for our class to run, designer our sweatshirts, and 100 days. A special day for us, 100 official days before the end of our studies.
What are the steps for a program, preparation and carrying out for an event?
First, we propose something to our classmates and we discuss about it. When we agree, we present it to our class teacher, and it's only when we have a finalized project that we ask the head teacher, the headmaster's permissions.
Thank you.
Do you consider that your ideas are contemplated and respected by the other members of the school community?
Yes, because if they have voted for me, they agree with my program.
Okay, thank you.
In your opinion, are students sufficiently aware of the school's rules?
Yes, of course. All the students are aware of the rules because sometimes, as punishments, we have to copy them once or twice, and in the end, bad students know every word of them.
Okay, thank you.